this is the closing balance of the provision, right? So 80,000 is our closing provision. So now we will prepare the cash flow statement. In that, first one is cash flow from operating activities. We will be preparing by indirect method, as nothing is stated. We will be preparing by indirect method. So we will be starting with the net profit. So net profit for the year. So net profit means the balance of the profit and loss account. What is the opening balance and the closing balance? 60,000 and 1 lakh, right? So additionally we have transferred 40,000 in this year. So profit for the current year is 40,000. See, P&L account 1 lakh minus 60,000 is equal to 40,000, right? Now we have seen in the pro forma we will be adding back non-cash and non-operating expenses, right? So in this balance sheet, which are the non-cash and non-operating items, expenses, we need to find out. So the first one is dividend payable. See, this is the last year dividend payable. So dividend, it is a dividend paid of the current year, right? So the current dividend payable is 2 lakhs, right? So it is a dividend payable. It is a non-operating non-cash expense, right? So we will be adding back, right? So we will take here dividend payable, right? 2 lakhs, right? Then depreciation, we will take in from working note number 1. Depreciation, it was 1,25,000, right? Working note number 1. So here we will add back depreciation 1,25,000. Next is provision for taxation, right? What was the closing provision for taxation? It is also a non-cash expense, non-operating expense. So here we will be taking closing provision which we have derived in the ledger account, 80,000, right? So provision for taxation, I have said working note number 2, 80,000, and the other item is reserve. See, share capital, it will reflect in financing activity, same way debenture financing activity, and trade payable, it is a current liability. So remaining here is reserve. So last year it was 1,50,000, 2 lakhs. So additionally we have transferred 50,000 in this year, right? So here we will add back transfer to reserve 2 lakhs minus 1,50,000, so 50,000, right? So all these items we will add back, as these are non-cash and non-operating expenses, right? Less non-cash and non-operating incomes. If there is any profit on sale of assets, see, here we have sold machinery, right? 20,000 machinery, 35,000 selling price. So the profit is 15,000. So here we will write profit on sale of plant and machinery. We can give the reference of the working note, 35,000 minus 20,000. So we will reduce 15,000, right? As it is a non-cash income. Non-cash income, non-operating income. So the resultant figure will be net profit after adjustment for non-cash and non-operating items. So it is a 4,80,000. Now we will do the working capital changes. So in this working capital, first we will see the asset side, the current assets, inventories, trade receivables, and current liabilities is trade payables. So in inventories there is an increase, right? So we have additionally purchased the inventory, so there is the outflow of cash. So what we will do, we will reduce from here, minus 2 lakhs, right? Then trade receivable, there is a reduction, so we will add decrease in trade receivables, so add 2 lakhs. Trade payables, it is a current liability, so there is a decrease in current liability, so we will minus it from here, decrease in trade payable 1,20,000, right? So cash from operations 3,60,000. We have paid income tax, so income tax paid 50,000. So net cash, it is a positive figure, so it is a generated from operating activities 3,10,000, right? Now we will prepare cash flow from investing activities, right? In this investment, plant and machinery, land and building investments, right? So purchase of fixed assets, we have seen from the working note the balancing figure 3,40,000. So here we will write purchase of fixed asset 3,45,000, right? Land and building, there is an increase in land and building, but it is not subject to any depreciation, so we will not provide any depreciation, just we will write the increasing figure. So whatever expenses we have done on the building, so it is the outflow. Purchase also it is the outflow, and in investments there is an increase, so it is also a outflow. So increase in investments minus 1 lakh, right? Over and above there is a sale of machinery, right? Sale of machinery rupees 35,000 we have taken from working note number 1. We have taken this balancing figure after adjusting the sale transaction. So additionally I will show here sale of old machine from working note number 1, 35,000. So the resultant figure is negative, so I will write here net cash not generated or not provided, it is net cash used in investing activities, right? Now we will prepare cash flow from financing activities. Financing activities, see here there is a share capital, increase in share capital, right? So what I will write, increase of 2 lakhs, so proceeds from issue of shares, it is a inflow of cash, so 2 lakh rupees, right? Debentures, these two adjustments we have done. Debentures, there is an increase, right? In last year it was 0, this year I have issued debentures of 2 lakhs, so proceeds from issue of debentures 2 lakhs. Then there is a dividend paid. See, dividend payable I have already adjusted in the operating activity. Now last year provision, so this year I need to pay it, so dividend paid of last year is 1 lakh, right? Dividend paid of current year, which was dividend payable of last year, is 1 lakh, so I will reduce it from here, right? Because last year dividend payable needs to be adjusted in the current year. So net cash is, it is a positive figure, so I will write here net cash generated from financing activities. I will total all these 3, 1, 2 and 3. So the net increase in cash or cash equivalents is 3,10,000 minus 6,10,000 plus 3 lakh, it is nil. I will add back opening cash and bank balance 2 lakhs, closing cash balance 2 lakhs. This should tally, this and this, all these 3 figures should tally, then your cash or flow statement is said to be accurate, right? So this we have seen the full practical example of cash flow statement. By we have also seen 2 working notes. So if you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me. Thank you so much.